Hey everyone, and in this video, I'll be breaking down how VPNs work, what they actually do behind the scenes, and then walk you through some of the top options, including ExpressVPN, NordVPN, and Surfshark, so you can see how they differ and which one might be the best fit for what you need. So at a basic level, a VPN gives you a different IP address, which makes it look like you're in another country. That's why they're so useful for accessing things like Netflix shows that aren't available in your region, or accessing websites that are restricted where you live. But what really sets VPNs apart from just using a proxy is the added layer of security. All your internet data gets encrypted, which means no one, whether it's your ISP, public Wi-Fi, or even your government, can see what you're doing online. So you're getting both privacy and access at the same time. Now, to show you what this looks like in practice, I'll start with ExpressVPN. So when you open up Express, you'll see a really clean layout with a big connect button and your most recent locations underneath. And if you tap the little pin icon, you can sort through recommended locations, favorites, or browse the full list by country. Currently, Express gives you access to over 3,000 servers in 105 countries, and you can connect up to 14 devices at the same time under a single account, which is a huge plus if you want to use this across multiple phones, computers, or even smart TVs. All you do is click on the server location, let's say Japan, and once you're connected, services like Netflix or Amazon Prime will think you're actually located there. This is also helpful for reducing ping when gaming or accessing things like crypto sites or gambling platforms that are blocked in certain regions. If you want to dig into the settings, there's a Protocols tab, and Express's best protocol is something called Lightway, which is their custom protocol. It's designed to keep things both fast and secure, and most people will never need to change it, but it's there if you ever want to switch. And just a reminder, if you do decide to try out ExpressVPN, I've included links in the description where you'll find the best current deals and any discount codes available. Now, if you're after a VPN that gives you a bit more in terms of features and performance, NordVPN is another great option to look at. So what's unique here is the amount of countries and servers. 165 countries across over 7,900 servers, the most you're likely to find in any VPN. To find them, you can search or scroll through the menu on the left side of the application, and like the other VPNs, Nord also lets you automatically connect to the fastest server if you don't want to pick one manually. It also supports up to 10 devices at the same time, which is a pretty generous limit. Nord's best protocol is called NordLynx, which is built around WireGuard but with some added privacy features on top. It's designed to keep speeds high and connection times really fast, while still encrypting all your data in the background. Now, what makes Nord stand out is the number of extra security tools it gives you. So for example, you can use double VPN if you want to route your traffic through 2 different servers instead of 1. There's also a feature called MeshNet, which lets you create secure connections between your own devices. And then there's Dark Web Monitor, which alerts you if your email shows up in any known data leaks. And if you're using this in a country with restricted internet access, you've got access to special obfuscated servers that are built to get around firewalls and censorship tools. So whether you're traveling or just want the extra protection, those are nice options to have. So overall, Nord is a really good choice if you want something that's fast, secure, and packed with extras. And again, if you want to check it out, I've included a link in the description with the current best pricing and any discounts I could find. Now moving on to Surfshark, which has been growing really quickly, especially among first-time VPN users, because of how simple it is to use and how much value you get for the price. So when you open up the app, you'll see a full list of countries on the left, and if that country has multiple locations, like Australia, for example, you can expand it and pick something more specific, like Perth. Then once you're connected, you'll see a live panel on the right showing your new IP address, how much data you've used, and what protocol is currently active. Now, Surfshark gives you access to over 3,200 servers in 100 countries. And one of its standout features is that you can connect unlimited devices at once. So whether you've got a phone, tablet, laptop, smart TV, or want to share your account with family, it all works under a single subscription, which is a really cool feature you won't find on most other VPNs. It also supports one of the fastest protocols out there, called WireGuard, and you can see which one you're using directly from the interface. WireGuard is great for keeping your connection fast and secure, and Surfshark automatically picks the best one for your setup, but you can always change it in the settings if you like. And if you want to take your privacy a step further, there are a couple of advanced tools built in. Multi-hop lets you route your connection through 2 different VPN servers for an extra layer of protection. And there's also a dedicated dedicated IP option if you want a consistent IP address that only you can use. So for anyone who wants a simple, low-cost VPN that still includes some advanced privacy options, Surfshark is a great pick. And again, I'll leave any current discounts or coupon codes in the description if you want to check those out. So just to quickly sum this up, all three of these VPNs can be used as proxies to change your location and access content. But the reason to choose a VPN over a regular proxy is that you're also getting security features like encrypted traffic, IP protection, and things like double VPN or multi-hop if you want to take things further. ExpressVPN is going to be the most straightforward and reliable, especially if you want something that just works and is easy to use across all your devices. Surfshark is great if you want to connect unlimited devices and still keep the price low. And NordVPN strikes a nice balance of speed, features, and added tools if you want a little more flexibility or advanced options. And again, if you like to try any of these out, I've included links in the description to their best deals, along with full reviews for each one if you want to learn more. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop those down in the comments below, as I love getting to answer as many as I can. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.